The men's Platinum Race Glove features single layer suede palm for close connection to the bike, large TPR intake scoops on the top of the hand for enhanced airflow, perforated Lycra finger gussets that offer excellent breathability and fit, direct inject graphics, hook and loop wrist closure with TPR logo, dimple mesh and light preem top of hand construction, silicone gripper on the fingertips for enhanced lever control, and the Clarino reinforced thumb for durability.